Hello students, in the last recorded video or slide I have explained you the calculation of interest. That is, there are 4 cases for the calculation of interest. The first case was when the cash price is given, when the installment amount is given, when the rate of interest is given. All the 3 information is given. In that case, how to calculate interest. Second case was the cash price will be given, rate of interest will be given, installment amount will be given but excluding interest. In that case we have to follow the second case. The third case we will follow when the rate of interest is not given. Okay, when the rate of interest is not given, installment amount is given including interest, cash price is given but the rate of interest is not given. The last one was when the installment is given, rate of interest is given but the cash price is not given. In that case, how to calculate the interest? There were 4 cases. So you have to read the problem properly and find out which case it is, and accordingly you have to calculate the interest. Okay. So today I'll begin with the problems, that is calculation of interest. Then we will go for the journal entries in the books of hire purchaser and seller. Okay, so today we will begin with the calculation of interest. So let us go through the problem first. Vespa Limited purchased a machinery on 1/1/2015 by hire purchase system costing rupees 2,75,000. So what is the cost of the machinery? It is 2,75,000. It is a cash price. Cost is nothing but the cash price. 35,000 is paid on signing the agreement. This is down payment, and the balance in the 3 installment. No, it is a higher. The balance in the high installment. Okay, so you have to find out the balance now. 2,75,000 minus 35,000. What would be the? The amount. Then. What would be the amount? You have to find out remaining amount. That amount will be divided equally annually, 3 installment. Okay, 3 installment amount will be paid. Calculate the interest installment. Okay, so here the cash price of the machine is given. Okay, then down payment is given. Okay, so down payment is 35,000. Now 80,000 into 3, how much? 80, 1,60,000, 2,40,000. 2,40,000 plus 35,000, how much? 2,40,000, 2,50,000, 2,60,000, 2,70,000, 75,000. So 80,000 into 3 plus 35,000, you will get 2,75,000. Now in this problem, first you have to check what are the information given. You have a cash price, you have installment amount, you have rate of interest. Okay, now again you check whether the installment amount, interest is included. Okay, so when you multiply 80,000 into 3, you get 2,40,000 plus 35,000, it is 2,75,000, which is equal to cash price. It means in 80,000 interest is not included. Okay, interest is not. We know the cash price, we know the installment amount, but we don't know the installment including interest. We want the installment amount including interest, which is not there here. So you have to use second case where cash price is given, rate of interest is given, installment is given, but interest is not included. How you will come to know interest is not included? See, 80,000 is one installment. So if it is 3 installment, 80,000 into 3, you will get 2,40,000. 2,40,000 plus 35,000, you will get 2,75,000. Now which is equal to cash price. When it is including interest, cash price, interest, higher purchase price will be little higher than the cash price. Okay, so that is not there here. So 2,75,000, here also if you multiply and add 35, 2,75,000. So interest is not included. So we have to go for the second case. Now once you know it is a second case, you have to follow the procedure as we have done for the cases I have explained you. Here I will explain you once again. What you have to do is cash price of the machine. It is given in the problem 2,75,000. Less down payment, which is given in the problem 35,000. Multiply minus it, you will get 2,40,000. Now on 2,40,000 multiply 10% interest rate, you will get a 10% interest rate, which is equal to 24,000 less the first installment. From the first installment you have to deduct. Once you pay the interest, then installment amount will be paid 80,000. So 2,40,000 minus 80, you will get 1,60,000. Now from 1,60,000 multiply 10% and find out the interest. You will get the interest for the second year, that is 1,60,000 into 10%, 16,000. Less installment amount, you have to deduct the installment amount 80,000. 1,60,000 minus 80,000, you will get 80,000. Now what is the interest for the third year? 80,000 into 10%, 8,000. Okay, so these are the installment amount given in the problem, and accordingly you have to use the method. See, what is the interest for the first year? 24,000. Second year it is 16,000, and third year it is 8,000. Okay, so this is the second case we have followed, because installment is given excluding interest. Okay, so just to deduct installment every year. On the remaining balance, calculate the interest. Okay, 24, 16 and 8,000. Okay, so this is the second case we have followed here. I'll repeat here, because the cash price is given, installment amount is given, but excluding interest rate is given. So you will follow the second case. Now you will move to the second problem. Amar purchased a machine from Akbar Limited on hire purchase system on 1st January 2015, payable rupees 10,000 down, and the balance as under. Rupees 13,000 at the end of the first year, 12,000 at the end of the second year, rupees 11,000 at the end of the third year. Interest is 10% per annum. Calculate cash price. See, the cash price they have given. Calculate cash price. It means it is a fourth case. When it is a fourth case, I have given you the format also how to prepare. The same thing you follow here. Draw the columns, 3 columns. One is year, total amount here, and interest due, total principal amount. Okay. Now first you will begin with the last year. Always when it is a third case, you have to begin with the last case, that is third year. Third year, what is the amount of installment? 11,000. What is the interest rate? 10%. So calculate interest. 11,000 into 10 divided by 110. Why it is 110? Because interest is included in this. So 100% plus 10%, you will get 110. When it will be 20%, suppose if it is 20% here, it will be 11,000 into 20 divided by 120, like that. Okay, so you will get 1,000 rupees. Now deduct 11,000 minus 1,000, you will get 10,000. Now come to the second year. What is the amount remaining? This amount you have to write again here, 10,000 plus the 12,000 of the second installment. Second installment they pay 12,000. So 12,000, 10 plus 12,000, you will get 22,000. 22,000 into 10 by 110, you will get 2,000. Now 22,000 minus 2,000, you will get 20,000. Again 2015, first year, it is 20,000 bring here, plus the first year's 13,000, you will get 13,000 first year. So 20 plus 13,000, it is 33,000. Now 33,000 into 10 by 110, you will get 3,000. 10 by 110, you will get 3,000. Now 33,000 minus 3,000. 33,000 minus here 3,000, you will get 30,000. Okay, so this you have to follow the method. Once first you will take 11,000. Okay, from next year onwards, you will add last year's and this year's installment and find out the interest. Then deduct the 22,000 minus 2,000, it is 20,000. Like that you will follow here also 30,000. Now the cash price will be the last amount what you will get now, 30,000 plus down payment. Here 30,000 plus down payment, in the problem it is 10,000, it is 40,000 answer. Therefore the cash price is 40,000. Therefore the cash price is 40,000. Okay. So this is a fourth method, fourth case we have followed here to compute the working calculation of interest. Go through the problem, and any doubts you can clarify it. Very simple. Just first read the problem properly, twice you read, understand it, find out what is not given, then use the case and find out the interest. Okay. It is a basic, because next you will be having the problems for 24 marks. First you have to begin with the interest, then go for journal entries. So very important to understand the calculation of interest. Thank you.